Let's see. He's got enough ass. Break these loose. Oh no! Oh no!
What's up, gearheads? It's springtime. You know what that means? Summer tires.
You're driving. Mom's car. That was pretty close. That was close. Oh no! Oh no! Still nothing?
Nope. No.
Alright. Mom has 6 bolt wheels. She's got the manliest wheels of the whole family. Look at that. I only got 5. Lumpy.
There we go.
Ow. Don't smash my car. Wheel it outside and set her down in the dirt. Just don't let her roll down the driveway. You got a new one? Hey, look at that. It's just like Pet Boys.
Be right back.
Flip it. Flip it. I got E slapping on a red line, and I got Bud peeling off a Snowy. That is a good sight right there. You lost your toy under the car again.
Again.
Getting tired of that. It's not a game.
Scanning the sensors. Click here if you want to know how to do that.
Tire learning. Do your thing, E. Blinker, that tire. There you go. Last one. Beep beep, that means we're good. All set, what are they? They're a little off. That's it, you ready to drive it out of here?
There he goes. Easy step.
Everybody good?
Yep. Okay, now look at
your hands. That is good. What do we got? Ooh, we gotta clean those. So we got the sparcos on. Alright, now Mom has her red lines on. She's gonna be so bossy in the pickup line tomorrow. She's gonna start some shit, I bet ya. Alright, you guys had enough?
Yep. See you next time, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and click that bell icon.
Tickle that bell.
Bye.
See you.
See ya.
Oh, sorry. Move over.
I can't.
Yee, this is chaos.
I have no
It's
room.
chaos.
There should be a pun.
Doubling down on it. I gotta go to
I have
work.
no room to move over.
Dad, really?
It was me.
Why'd you have to do that?